Guys, get out of here. They're destroying the road, little piglets. My God, go, go, go. Hate pigs. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We have here John Deere MX6. If anybody can guess what we're doing today. So we're gonna change blades, put the new ones in, check the old ones out, get a little bit of vibration, so we'll check everything underneath. Then after that, I got a mow. Wonderful. I got Mr. Big Chongus here. Big old beefcake of a ratchet head from Snap-on. Love this guy. So we'll be using that to loosen and maybe tighten, who knows, but pardon the noise. I preliminarily fitted 1.5 inch, so we'll see if that takes it off. I never keep track, so I'm using this video also to keep track, so we'll get there. But yeah, let's do the change out. So I'll give you guys a ride along on how to do that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the change hole. I don't think you guys can see much in there, but let me get a light on the subject. You guys can see El Nutsko. All right, so I'm gonna get that nut off, and hard to hold the flashlight and the camera at the same time. But what I do is I move this guy a little bit, just a little. I mean, it moves quite a bit, as you guys can see, just from the little bit that's there. So you hold that till it's steady, boom. Let's undo it. Okay, did I break the adapter? Yes, I did. Look at that. I guess you shouldn't adapt down, but yeah. I mean, this is even an impact. 3/4 to 1/2 inch. All right, cut to commercial. Well, I'm an idiot. I found one that's actually the same size, the right size. Alrighty. Of course. Come on now. Come on now. And just after it's loose, I'll just use this guy. Some good old ugga-dugga. And bam. Okay, that's lost forever. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go dig for that. Come with me, won't you? All right, as always, safety third. Nice little jack stand under there. All right, let's get this guy. All right, now we get to hunt on top the stump jumper. You guys can see probably better than me. Oh, there it is. Got the nut. All the things. All right, let's see. I think there was there a... I can't see real good. I don't think there was a lock washer. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after much sweat expenditure, I got both of them out, and of course, you know, itchy from all the grass. So here's a new one. You can see how this kind of little extends here, where this one is kind of down to the nub, and it's starting to have a tapered back profile. I don't know if I want to use these again, but boy, I got a lot of hours out of this. This is a second set, and I mean, this is probably, I don't know, 200-300 hours. And I'm not easy on this stuff. I mean, Hawaii filled with rocks. I don't know if you guys can see, but all the bulging rocks that have hit the deck. Unfortunately, I don't want to do that. Also, this side is supposed to be arrow straight, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's not. So these blades do hit quite a bit of stuff. Also, I balance these So as much as I could, as you guys can see, made a rounded edge here, while this one, so this is the lighter one, this is the heavier one. I got it to within half an ounce or something like that. I think that's pretty good. So I was also having problems with the holes hogging out, these holes compared to these holes, A-holes. So this one is a little oblong because I guess it hits stuff and it just wrangles around on here. I don't see much wear on the the bolt holding it on. I'm going to clean those up. But yeah, so I'll show you how I do the hookup. All right, use your safety squints and just go easy. So now as I got it cleaned up, you guys can see a little bit of wear there, which I don't like too much. I'm going to see if I have other bolts. If I don't, I'll put these back in, but I can change them real fast and real easy, sort of. As you guys can see, these are not perfectly flat anymore. You can see all the damage to them. So these are on their last legs, I would call it, but I think they're still safe to run. So we'll change them out soon. So the wear part, I'm going to switch around. So I'll have on the other side, on the good side. I don't recommend this. I'm doing this. I would recommend new parts. So don't take what I am doing to heart. Just putting it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, always with the so, I'd recommend cleaning out the center of your stump jumper because that's a lot of crap. Also, you can see here all the grass that gets wrapped around the blade, because the blade does rock back and forth. The stump jumper is taking a little bit of damage from getting hit. The blade's jumping up. It's, there's a little bit of wear right there. So now this thing's spinning freely. I have the PTO shaft disconnected. And people are wondering, how do you get a blade in without nobody holding the top? Oh my goodness. So I will show you. So I grease these guys, always with the sorry. So sorry. Trying to find the worn edge here. There we go. That should go like this. Okay. All right. Turn that bugger over. This thing's about 7 pounds. Put it in there like that, and it should hold itself. Don't get under it. Okay, just relax right there. Actually, I didn't check which was the wear side here. I'll turn that sucker around like that. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm just going to ugga-dugga these suckers tight and then tighten it with a big old ratchet. Oh, and let's just go this way. There we are. Looks like that sucker's seated. I'll go underneath and check to make sure. I just want these guys cinched up. Looks good. I'll go check underneath. Okay, they look decently cinched up. I think I'm gonna bump you guys here. Let's see how tight this thing makes it. Oh, okay, that ugga-dugga guy. That guy makes it super tight. Alrighty, so that's pretty simple on how I did it. Here's my tools, you know, just wire wheel, safety squints, of course. 1.5 inch on the, what is it, the half-inch there, half-inch drive. That's a 3/4 drive. Yeah, so same size, different thing. I highly recommend a big chongus like this from Snap-on or anybody else. This sucker is a 3-foot bar, super high strength. I haven't managed to bend it. I'm 200 pounds and I hung from it. Don't overdo it. So I'm going to show you underneath on how the blades are. Those suckers are super tight. This thing gets it just really, I mean, really good. All right, we are under here. Free spinning. Let that sucker stop for a second. All right, so we got blades here. Of course, that was reverse rotation. But you guys see how much these do flop. So, yeah, these guys do flop quite a bit. They straighten out when they're in the wind. And they're both even. Of course, you see the grease that's squirting out. Make sure there's grease. Yeah, so I like that. That's secure. That's as tight as it can go. And yeah, I like it. So that's good. Nice and sharp. I pre-sharpen these. These things come dull. And let's go mow and see how we go and not throw a blade, hopefully. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you guys see all the pig rootings. Pigs are just doing nasty, nasty, nasty stuff. Even over there, my goodness. Oh, good Lord, it's like going off road. Wow. So crappy. Yeah, so the mower's cutting much better. And we'll catch up with you after this because it's just going up and down and up and down. Hey, look at that. Yeah, I'll show you how the blades do after one. Oh wait, those pigs. Are those pigs? Let's see here. Let's get up there. Oh my God, those are pigs. I don't know if you guys can see them. Look at those little suckers. Look at those guys. Look at them. Oh, those guys, get out of here. They're destroying the road, little piglets. My God, go, go, go. Hate pigs. Alrighty. Making a driveway for the new house there. Visiting Captain Dad. Yep. Kind of a weird one because the road goes up, this road goes in. You don't want to fall over that way. Alright, like I promised, let's look at these blades. We got a lot. I mean, this ground is just so many rocks. Let's see what we got here. Of course, there's no blade close. Oh, man. Okay, so these are brand new blades. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. All that. Hitting a ton of rocks. I hate it. But that's what we live with here. Alright, so since it's kind of noisy here, I'm going to leave you guys with that. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of me fooling around with bladeage. A little bit of mowing, pigs, whatever. Alright, please like, comment, subscribe, and as usual, thanks for watching. Aloha.